Hey, welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And look what I got here. Again, this is from Jeff. He loans me these things. I'm not going to reveal what it is because it's in a bag marked Montana Classic Toys. I doubt this is the original bag. Anyway, let's look and see what's inside. Ooh, nice bright red. What the heck is this? It's made by Panasonic. That's a clue. And then he told me how to open this. You got to be careful. And it is marked. It won't show up very well on my camera. But there's two arrows. One pointing one way, one pointing the other way. So that's the direction I think you open it. So that would indicate to open it this direction. And that is correct. This is really a weird looking radio. What it is, it's marked right here. It's a Toot-A-Loot Panasonic AM radio. This is the speaker end. This down here is the tuning in. AM only. And on the back, where'd it go? Oh, right there is the on-off volume control. Turn it on. Nope, we don't want to play music. It's playing music. Pretty clear. Not much bass, mostly treble. And it does have a headphone jack right there. So you could play it through some earbuds and get some more bass that way. And there's no screws holding it together. So you're like, how do I change the battery? Well, again, Jeff showed me how. So let me open this all the way. There's a slot right there for a screwdriver. And there's one on this side for a screwdriver. And one is to the electronics, which is, I think, on this side. Yeah, where the tuning dial is, that makes sense. And then the other side is the speaker, and this is where the battery goes. Okay, let's just tune a little bit before we... Whoa! Okay, where'd that button go? Oh, I think my finger hit the button there. Let me tune it, so you just turn the tuning dial right there. Now let's get down to the lower part of the AM band, which is usually talk radio. So let's turn the volume back up. Tune it a little better. There we go. Now here we go. That's full volume, which is plenty loud if you don't have a wall shaker, air conditioner on, and a fan on like I do, because it is 85 degrees here in my workshop. It only went down to 84 degrees this morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So I'm fighting that. Anyway, let's just turn the volume up and just do some quick tuning. If I can get this in view a little better. My camera is not focusing where I want. There we go. Let me zoom in a little bit for a minute. There we go. I'm not on the station. So it's got good reception. Finding plenty of stations. Okay, let's turn that back down. Well, in fact, I'm going to turn it off, and then I'm going to zoom back out. Okay, now I'm going to carefully open this so that I can show you the innards. I believe the electronics is on this end, which makes sense because there's the tuner. We're going to open it. I got it turned off. It just pops open like that. So there's the electronics. Get the camera. There we go. I'll zoom in a little bit more. So there's the tuning knob, the tuning capacitor, the antenna, electronics, the volume control on off, and then the wire going to this microphone and the speaker, which is over here. I don't need to open that, so that's not very exciting. So I'll hold this steady for a few minutes. Minutes? No, seconds. It's like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4, 5, maybe 5 transistor, I'm guessing. And then you just snap this back on very carefully. Set this down, line this up. There we go. There, it snaps right in place. Pretty cool. Again, this is called the Panasonic Toot-A-Loot. I think it comes in different colors. I'm not sure. Pretty cool. Let me see. Oh, I got some notes from Jeff on these radios. Let me see if I can find the Toot-A-Loot. He brought me a bunch of radios again this time. Toot-A-Loot. Gee, I got, oh boy, I got a lot. Oh, here it is. The Panasonic model R72 1970s 6 transistor. I missed one. What do you expect from an old man like me? He purchased this from one of the sellers on Radio Attic. Did nothing to it, and it just worked fine. This was not meant for high performance. This is something mostly aimed at teenagers. These, along with the Pana Pet, are quite collectible. Pana Pet. Gotta look up Pana Pet and see what it looks like. I think he is, I don't think, I'm sure he is correct about this being a collectible, because I did briefly a couple of days ago look this up on eBay, and they went for quite a few dollars. I don't remember exactly, maybe $50 and up. This one is in pristine condition, and as you heard, it plays fine. I don't quite have it closed all the way. We'll worry about that later. Pretty cool. And I'm trying to think, I guess, because you can rotate this thing. Yeah, you could kind of set it like that, so you could tune it, leave it set it on your desk or whatever, and have it play like that. Pretty cool. And then it closes up like such. So you can actually get a carrying handle. That is ingenious. Talk about a novelty radio. Now the one thing that I'm surprised is, I still don't have that closed. But anyway, is that this is not flat, so you can't set it like this. So say if you just leaving it set on a shelf or something, so you have to lay it flat. And then here's the grill. I actually didn't realize that. Here is the grill for the speaker, so the sound comes out this way, so you can't have it closed and still play it. I am totally amazed. Oh, it uses a 9-volt battery, which I put in earlier and I'll have to remember to remove it. Don't want to leave batteries in your electronics because they can leak. I just got some electronics from a free cycler, and for instance, a number of the remote controls, the batteries had leaked. One of them I could not get to work. I guess the battery acid got down into the electronics and damaged the electronics. The others I was able to clean up. Anyway, if you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. I've got about 10 or so radios that Jeff brought to me last week, and this is the second of those. I'll have more coming up soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.